Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Lasko space heater won't turn on, it can be really frustrating, especially when you need quick warmth and the unit just doesn't respond. You might plug it in, press the power button, and nothing happens. No lights, no heat, nothing at all. In most cases, this doesn't mean the heater is completely broken. Lasko heaters are built with multiple safety features like overheat protection and tip-over shutoff, which can prevent the unit from turning on if something isn't right. The tricky part is that there's no clear message telling you what caused it, so it can feel confusing. The good thing is that with a few simple checks, you can usually get your heater working again without any hassle. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the heater is properly plugged into a working outlet. Step 2. Unplug the heater, wait 10-15 minutes, then plug it back in. Step 3. Place the heater on a flat, stable surface. Step 4. Check and clean the air vents to remove dust or blockages. Step 5. Turn the power and thermostat settings up properly. Step 6. Try a different outlet or reset button.